Today is another day of the Army 650 build. So today I'm going to try to work on fixing something that is a big problem on a lot of these. This is something that has been an issue on maybe 3 or 4 of these 650s that I bought, and I'll show you what it is. It's the snapped off cooling line right here. It's made out of plastic, broken off, which is a doggone pity. Here's where it broke off. So what I'm gonna do is I have a 3/8 drill, which is the size of that line, that is super long. Maybe you've seen it in other videos. You can get the drill at Harbor Freight. And I'm going to just try to drill up the backside and get a clean hole through it. And then I have some metal pipe I'm gonna try to put in there. So hopefully, we'll see how complicated this gets. Hopefully I'm able to actually finish it in this video. Okay guys, so I got the ride plate off and I have the cooling line disconnected. If you guys haven't figured out already, the demographic we go for is generally the demographic that is skilled enough to remove a ride plate. So if that's not you, sorry, but not really. So this is the guy that I'm gonna just try drilling straight up, and I'm gonna show you. This is some aluminum line that I can use, get through the tray. And this is my really long drill bit. 3/8. You get this at Harbor Freight, do it yourself. And so I'm hoping, one sec, that this will just guide itself all the way through. That's the hope. And, you know, I haven't heard of anybody doing this before, so I just hope it follows the line of the original one, comes out the hole on the inside where the other one would. I noticed this thing has a nice, really deep West Coast intake grate. I think we have, here is the other West Coast intake grate that was off of the C-Rat. It's a little different design. Maybe we'll put this one on there, on the C-Rat. It looks like it might be better, deeper, better. You would think, maybe. So maybe I'll do that. But let me get the drill out. Hopefully you can see this. I know it's hard to tell if the camera is actually working and shooting what I want, but here we go. Here goes nothing. You know what? I'm gonna break that off right now. Less crap to drill through is more better. There we go. Mamma mia. There's no going back now. Although it was messed up before. Okay, actually, I'm going to try drilling through the inside part now. Maybe I can just break it free. Maybe I can just break it free from both sides and then smash it through the hammer. So, maybe I'll try drilling it there, break free some of the glue, and smash it through. One sec. Okay guys, I just did it. I just gave her hell and did it. Said I don't care. Just went for it. So it came out next to the other hole. So whatever. It's close enough because I can just stick the other one through, epoxy the old hole shut, and nobody will ever know the difference anyway. So I'll show you how easy this is just gonna go through. I mean, the outside is a little, well, I don't know. Who's to say which one's more critical? And then I should be able to just ram it through the other side. One sec. Okay, guys, got it through. There you go. So I say epoxy that shut. Use your favorite brand of epoxy to just seal it all up. And then in the back, seal it all up. There you go. Also, on these 650s, there's an exit that you probably can't see because it's covered in spider webs. Let's see if I can clear that up for you. Right there. This is an exit that basically goes straight to the exhaust pipe that you can block off and not use. Or if you break the other one, you can just use that for your cooling line. But that's an unnecessary line that goes to the stock exhaust. Aftermarket pipes, it just blocks off. People put this pipe from a 650 into a 550, they just block it off. So that's another option on this particular ski. Probably a lot of people use that as a dual cooling line. Or, yeah, just if the regular one breaks, you got that one still. So, hot tip for you, now you know. I just swallowed a spider web. So, that's great. But if you want to look, here we go. We got her clamped up. Got the epoxy on there. And on the inside, there you go. No one will ever know now. So, hope that helps you guys too. But, I don't know. Should I do anything else on this video? I'm going to think about it for a little bit. Okay, guys. Because you've been so enthusiastic with this build, I'm going to reward you right now by showing you. I'm going to do the unveiling of what engine this thing has got. So I've stuck the engine in there and I'm going to show it to you right now. But only because you were so appreciative. Alright? Da-dun! 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 Oh, what? Is it an old West Coast engine? Is it like a rare thing? Okay, here goes. What? What? That's not an engine! Okay, I'm gonna explain to you what we got going here. This is a Kawasaki 650 that's been bored to 79.5 millimeters, making it, I think, let's see, it's a 695. And stock, these are like 630, so it's a pretty big jump. It's ported. So this is a race cylinder probably from back in the day that I got. It's got just a stock 750 head on it, and then this is a carburetor off of a 750 SX. So it's actually kind of special for how not special it looks. But yep, that's what it's getting. It looks kind of okay in there. It's got that silver that matches this silver. Didn't really intend for that, but this is actually quite a bit of a beater ski, but we made it kind of seems cool to me right now. So let me know if you guys think it's cool. Yeah, just tell me is it cool or am I crazy? And how much am I going to be able to sell this for when I'm done with it? Comment below that stuff. Alright guys, so I'm showing you, this is what we got in here. Got the engine in the pipe all in. Looks like, yep, so I just gotta do electronics. Looks like it's getting dark here, so I'll probably call it a day, but man, these 650s are so the easiest to get all running and work on. Yeah, good skis. Maybe not the highest performance, but extremely easy to get together. So I've got an electrical box that I gotta go through, and it looks like crap, so I have to fix everything and make it good, which is fairly easy on these generally as well. So yeah, pretty crazy. I mean, you think I got all these builds going simultaneously. I gotta have a couple of easy ones that I can kind of take a few shortcuts on, like this one. So this is a bolt together setup. So it's nice to have a break from the really difficult stuff. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video.